Hey Clouds, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys are wondering why I'm taking this Cleopatra milk bath. In today's video, I'm showing you guys behind the scenes clips of my SKY Beauty photo shoot, and I know you guys are gonna love these photos, so stay tuned. Hey Clouds, so you guys already know that I'm shooting for SKY Beauty today, and I just wanted to show you guys a little behind the scenes and the makeup look. So as always, we are starting off with the eyes. I already did my eyebrow and this side of my eye just because I wanted to make sure that the look was perfect and what I wanted for this whole entire shoot. So yeah, let's just get started, but first let me take a drink of my yummy smoothie. It's almost gone. My mom just made this. It's so good. Okay, anyways, for today's makeup look, we are just using the Take Me On Vacation palette by Kylie Cosmetics. My palette is beat. I do not know what happened to it. Actually, a Kylie Cosmetics lipstick exploded in my makeup bag, so this reddish color is everywhere. Anyways, I do not know the name of the colors because they're on the back, and it's honestly so confusing. I do not understand why she puts the names on the back because I get them mixed up. I think I'm going to be taking coconut, that would make sense, coconut, as a base, and I am just using the MB44 brush by Morphe. And we are just going to put this all over our eyes as a base. So we are doing a very neutral makeup look today just because I do not want to take the focus away from my lipsticks. So I've been starting my makeup off lately with the eyes and the eyebrows first and then the face, just because if I ever have like eyeshadow fallout, I could wipe it away without wiping my makeup off, or if I don't like my eyeshadow, I could wipe it all the way off without ruining anything else. And then the brows are just better when they're done before your eyeshadow because it makes it look complete, and then after I put foundation on, I do redraw them just because the foundation does get all over the eyebrows. So now we're taking Morphe's M411 brush, and we are going to be mixing these two colors, and we are directly putting this in the corner of my eye and then blending outwards. This is going to give me a very like cat eye shape that I've been obsessing over lately. Okay, so this brush doesn't have a number or a name. I think it's It Cosmetics. We are going in with this like flathead brush, and I'm going to be mixing these two highlighter colors. This really just opens up the eye and then just brings the whole makeup look together. And now to really intensify the brown corner, we are going to be taking the Morphe MB27 brush, which is this really small, precise brush, and we're just digging into the same two brown colors. So we're basically just creating like a wing liner with this brush. And then taking the same Morphe 411 brush and just cleaning it up a little bit. And then after cleaning the MB27 brush, we're just taking that with their highlighter colors and focusing that on the brow. Okay, before we add eyeliner, we are just taking a makeup wipe and wiping the corner of our eyes for any fallout shadow, just to really create that cat eye look. I'm out of smoothie. More? Yeah, you want more? Okay. Okay, now it is time for eyeliner. I am using the Almay liquid eyeliner. As I said before, there's lipstick everywhere. So right now I'm just going to be focusing on a wing liner. Hopefully it comes out as good as this one. We'll see. I always start, actually I don't know where I start. It always changes. It's magic. Now time for mascara. I'm just using the Falsies mascara by Maybelline, which is like my favorite. I've been using this since high school. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our face, and I just recently, like yesterday, got this hydro facial from Dr. Garcia at Desert Eye Aesthetics, and it was so amazing. I will have that video up soon. It should be live now while you guys are watching this, so definitely go check that out after this video because that was the coolest facial I've ever had. She literally used like a mini vacuum to suck the dirt, oil, makeup, and like blackheads off my skin, and you actually saw everything that came off of my skin in this little jar at the end of the video. It was crazy and amazing, and she said there's makeup in there even though I came with like a fresh face. So yeah, that facial was just like amazing, and I think it is a must for anyone who wants a facial or loves facials or just really needs to get in there and clean their skin. So yeah, go check Dr. Garcia out at Desert Eye Aesthetics and let her know that Skyler Kaylin sent you in for your own hydro facial. So yeah, back to the face. It just feels so smooth from yesterday's facial that I really don't want to put makeup on it, but for these pictures, we're gonna put makeup on. So today I'm gonna be using the LA colors from Shop Miss A to give me a little tan, and then my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in the color light medium beige. I am out. I need new foundation. Aww. Okay, well, that was a struggle. We're just taking our Morphe Beauty Blender and blending it in. Remember to use a light hand whenever you are using a beauty blender, just because I used to be so harsh when I was blending, and it really does make a difference, let me tell you. So if you guys can't guess from the top, we are shooting Huntress first, which I'm so excited, and we do have a lot of like cool inspo and ideas and styles. And I just really can't wait to show you guys everything that we're doing today. And my outfits are amazing. My momager slash stylist did an amazing job at just coming up with the concept, coming up with the outfits, and just really, she's just amazing. Okay, and then I always just like to go in and re-blend in my makeup after a beauty blender with the first makeup brush that I found. So this is the Morphe flat brush. And we're just making sure that today's makeup is flawless. So extra precaution. And I'm sorry guys, I did not do a Halloween makeup look like I did last year, but there's just been so much going on, you know, the wedding, my lipstick line. It's just kind of too much to do a Halloween look. I mean, I did plan on it. I was going to do a collab with Claudia Hirsch, and we were going to do like skulls with glitter, but it just fell through. We just had too much going on. So we did an Instagram live anyways, and she did a skull on my face and a skull on her son's face. So if you guys saw that, then that was our Halloween collab. And then if you guys didn't see it, make sure to go follow me on Instagram to see all the good stuff that you might miss out on YouTube. Okay, now we are just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour and Highlight Palette. And this is B. I'm not even going to show you guys. You probably saw it in my last video, and it's worse. So I pretty much just do triangle shape under my eyes and then like blend it out. And then my chin. And we are going to do just a tiny bit on the forehead. Blending it out with this beauty blender. And then just like my face, we're just going to take the same foundation brush and just blend away. Okay, so now all we have to do is finish our contouring and then highlight and blush, and we'll be ready to shoot. So going in with the same Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm taking the last three dark colors and my Artiste Liner 5 brush. I'm just going to be cutting out my cheekbone just to make it really sharp and perfect. Okay, and then just going in with this beauty blender and taking the like sharp edge and just blending it upward. And then taking the same foundation brush and just contouring upward. Okay, so before we continue bronzing and then blush, we're just going to clean it up a little bit with some lighter foundation. I'm just using this powder from Shop Miss A. I would use my setting powder, but you know, it's being complicated right now, so can't use it. So just putting some under my eye. So it's starting to come together and look really good. So let's just finish it out with the XOXO Collection bronzer, which you guys know I always use, so I don't even have to show you guys. Now this just really darkens up my face, and it just gives me that tan that I've been wanting, but you know, too lazy to go outside to go get. We are just gonna tan my whole body, guys. Do you see the difference? Like, I was a white before, so this bronzer's good. I'm getting a little carried away. Okay, then we're just going to contour our nose with the Malika Jeffron Eye Pencil KP10 in the XOXO Collection bronzer. And you guys know I just like to look down just to follow the shadows of my nose, the natural shadows. Now I have a really small nose to begin with. I just like giving it like an extra sharpness to it. just so it doesn't get like lost in my face. And now we're gonna like stample over it. And then we are going to be blushing our face with the Cocoa blush from Kylie Cosmetic as well, and highlight, and we're done. So I just make this crazy face and then do 3 swipes upward and just like keep doing that until it's blended. Okay, almost done. We are just taking the Cocoa Collection highlighter. We're gonna highlight the crap out of our face because you guys know me, I love highlighter. Like, hello. Just brightens up your face and just makes you look way more alive. Like, if I could live in one makeup item, it'd probably be highlighter. No, I need eyeliner and mascara too. Highlighter, eyeliner, and mascara is what I could live with. Okay, it's time to officially finish this look off with the SKY Beauty lipstick in Huntress. And I'm also going to be using my SKY Beauty lip pencil that matches Huntress. I'm not sure if I'm going to be releasing these lip pencils. I'm still deciding. So here comes Huntress in our Bling Edition packaging. Don't forget, the first 100 orders will come automatically in the Bling Edition packaging. So hopefully you're a part of the first 100 orders. So this is the finished makeup look. Let me go get dressed and then I'll be right back to show you guys the behind the scenes of the SKY Beauty shoot.
$1,000 sheets. Waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. Got a bed with your name on it. With your name on it. Got a kiss with your name on it. With your name on it. $1,000 sheets. Waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught a 3 over P. Psychedelics got me